Hi, this is Padraig here from the YouTube channel, Facebook group and social media platform for all POI workers, income taxpayers and their employers to ask and get answers to their payroll, POIE and work-related questions. The YouTube channel and Facebook page are called Payroll Matters, and the Facebook group which is related to them both is called Payroll Matters in the United Kingdom. And new members to the group and subscribers to this channel are always welcome. If you came upon this video other than via the Facebook group, then I invite you to join the Facebook group. Before you switch over to search for the group, please watch the rest of this video because the answer to the membership questions to be approved as a member are contained within the content of this video. For those seeking to become members of the Facebook group, I want to talk to you about the group Payroll Matters in the United Kingdom and how it is aligned to the Facebook page and YouTube channel called Payroll Matters. Regardless of the modern democratic country that you live in, the definition of payroll remains the same. Payroll is the compensation a business must pay to its employees for work performed over a set time period and on a given date. The payroll process can include the taxation system, recording hours worked for calculating pay, making any additional approved payments, making any statutory and approved voluntary deductions, and calculating the payments due to employees, statutory bodies and third-party vendors, and many more payroll and work-related processes like calculating holiday leave, tracking time and attendance, etc. This group is for any employee or employer within the United Kingdom that has a question or legitimate issue to highlight. Payroll Matters is based on the fact that both employers and employees have rights and responsibilities. Many of the issues and questions that arise within Payroll Matters is when one or other party either is unaware of these rights and responsibilities or chooses to ignore them. Because many of these rights and responsibilities are governed by statute or covered in employment contracts, there are avenues that can be followed to resolve these issues. The members and payroll specialists within Payroll Matters are there to give guidance on which avenues to follow. The single most important message Payroll Matters strive to convey is for both employees and their employers to respect and honour each other's rights and responsibilities. As this payroll group caters for employers and employees throughout the United Kingdom, the group needs to be monitored closely and strictly moderated to ensure that members can readily see the posts and questions relating to their country or geographic region. For this reason, members will only be allowed to join the group after they have read, understood, agreed with, and can show proof that they have read all the rules and processes carefully. We have an individual Facebook group for the United Kingdom, but only have one YouTube channel and Facebook page called Payroll Matters. For this reason, we will be using the hashtag symbol followed by the country name, as outlined here, to facilitate sorting YouTube video content and Facebook page posts by the country they apply to. So, if your post on the Facebook group applies only to Scotland, then use hashtag Scotland on your post. If the content of your post applies to the United Kingdom in general, then use hashtag United Kingdom, UNITEDKINGDOM. Please do not use the two-letter acronym UK, as this can be confused with other hashtags. If you are unsure, then use the country-specific hashtag. Hashtag England, hashtag Scotland, hashtag Wales, or hashtag Northern Ireland. We will be following the same standards on the YouTube channel and the Facebook page, Payroll Matters. The group rules are pretty much in line with the norm for Facebook groups, with one distinct difference. You must be able to prove that you read all the rules carefully in order to be in a position to answer the membership questions. One of the rules, remember, is that you watch this video. Rule 1. We're all in this together to create a welcoming environment. Let's treat everyone with respect and kindness. No hate speech or bullying. Where a post has received genuine answers from members by way of comment, it is not courteous to those members for the poster to delete the post and hence their replies. Members who act in this way are liable to be suspended. Being part of this group requires mutual trust. Authentic, expressive discussions make groups great, but may also be sensitive and private. What's shared in the group should stay in the group. 2. Watch this video to the end and take note of the answers to the membership questions which are contained within this video. So please watch the video carefully to the end to get the answers to the membership questions. 3. If you post anonymously and mention someone or some business in your post by name, your post will be declined. Feedback cannot be given relating to the reasons for declined anonymous posts, as the poster is anonymous. Please don't waste admin or moderator time by mentioning a person or business in an anonymous post, or by subsequently asking why your post was declined. 4. When answering a question that has been posted in this group, please ensure you are providing correct and factual information and not simply guesswork. To get correct results, payroll has to be based on factual and accurate data. 5. Give more than you take in this group. Self-promotion, spam, irrelevant links, or items totally unrelated to payroll, income tax, and other work-related issues are not allowed. For example, selling concert tickets, etc. Okay, so those are the rules, and now it is time to prove that you have been watching and paying attention so as to get the answer to our membership questions. There is currently no international and universal standard calculator for determining a daily and weekly rate of pay. Accounting tools describe several methods of calculating an employee's annual earnings. Many businesses and indeed payroll systems use the factor of 52 in determining an annual rate from a weekly one, and vice versa. It is very important to take note and be clear that we at Payroll Matters are not saying that this method is incorrect. The method we recommend for determining an annual salary from a weekly one is the leap year method, which takes the weekly amount, divides it by 7 and multiplies it by 365.25 days to represent the average number of days in a year over a 4-year period. Many businesses and government agencies and public service employers are now using the leap year method for calculating rates of pay. So just to emphasize that the method we recommend for determining an annual salary from a weekly one is the leap year method. You got that answer? The leap year method. We have developed a calculator on how to calculate an hourly, daily, and the annual equivalent salary using the leap year method, which you can find here if you are interested. The answer to the second membership question is to give the example we use for items totally unrelated to payroll, to which the correct answer is selling concert tickets. You got that one? Selling concert tickets. I do hope that the next time you will be hearing from us is when we are welcoming you into the group. In the meantime, can I request that you please consider liking this video or subscribing to this channel in order to keep up to date with Payroll Matters, to help us continue making helpful payroll related videos and guides. Subscribing costs you nothing. Thank you for watching, and I hope I will see you next time.